All right, we got another HOKA. These are the Tor Lows Forest Floor. It's a nice green color. So here, let me get these out of the box here. Really cool. All right, so we all know and love the Tor. We've been doing releases of Tors since, I'm pretty sure the first one we ever did was an Engineered Garments collab back in the day. They did them in a green, they did them in a black, I think a sand, and then there was a blue that was Japan exclusive. So coming off of that, we've got suede upper, mostly suede with some other sort of, man-made materials as well, kind of in between some of the panels themselves. But we got this suede here. It is Gore-Tex, so it's waterproof, windproof, weatherproof, etc., etc. Keep you nice and warm. But what everybody really loves about HOKA is the chunky sole and the actual utility nature of it to it. So if you were really keen to go out in the woods and say trail run or hike or really whatever you want to do, these will get the job done very nicely in my opinion. So nice, really solid Vibram sole here. Plenty of traction on the bottom. So for hiking, snow, icy days, these should get the job done really nicely. But outside of the utility itself, they are very comfortable, a nice chunky sole. I really like the actual paneling and how the proportions kind of play out on the shoe itself. And then obviously you pair with I would personally do a wider pant in general, or my buddy always wears short shorts, big old socks, wears soccer shorts, big old socks, and pretty much exclusively Tors. So we got these guys here. I like the toe cap in the front. And yeah, as for the color itself, really easy to wear. I would style this green with probably a black pant primarily. It'd look nice with a khaki, and I would do it with green as well. I would just want the greens to be a different shade, so it isn't kind of a one color the whole way down. But yeah, Forest Floor Tors, Gore-Tex. Still have some units of these online, so pop over and go show some love. It'll be your new winter shoe.